Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Come along with me as I share how I spent my 31st night and welcome the new year. We went to Zabeel Park to watch the fireworks and the drone show at Dubai Frame. The place was super crowded with families camping, relaxing and enjoying the night together. And here's a quick capture of the Burj Khalifa from the spot that I was sitting down. And now, the most awaited moment, the drone show. It wasn't very clear from where I was standing, but the vibe was still amazing. If you are enjoying my video so far, please don't forget to like and subscribe me. Finally, the countdown begins, and here it is.
Facciamo un video di auguri, dai. Facciamo un video di auguri. Auguri! Aspetta.
After the mind-blowing fireworks, we could also see some fireworks from Burj Khalifa, which made the moment even more special. And just like that, we welcome 2026 with joy and excitement.
We can do one thing.
After the celebrations, we started heading back. It was extremely crowded at the Max Metro Station, and getting into the metro was a challenge. Later, we got down at BurJuman Metro Station and went searching for a vegetarian restaurant since my friends are vegetarian.
Hi, just walking, finding a good restaurant to eat after watching fireworks in Al Souk Al Kabir.
So we got a restaurant and we started with some salad, then enjoy butter naan and paneer curry. After dinner, we went to Al Ghubaiba Metro Station to head back home. Finally, we took a taxi from the stadium bus stop. So,
Happy New Year, guys!
and that's how our New Year night ended. Wishing you all a very happy New Year once again. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned with Min Min Day.